Okay, so one last thing before we finish up the neck module. So a very common type of neck pain is called wry neck. Wry neck, for those of you who don't know, is, you know, when you go to the hotel and you sleep on those horrible high pillows. If you sleep in this contorted position or crunched like that for 8 hours, 7 hours, you wake up, and when you wake up, you can't move your neck. You can literally, you can barely look over your shoulder to check your blind spot when you're driving. So you can barely turn, and it's just completely stuck. That's because the muscles overnight, your temperature drops, and what happens is your muscles go into spasm and they get stuck in that spasmodic position. So a really great set of points on the hands that you can use is actually it's literally called wry neck, 落枕 in Chinese. So it means you slipped on the pillow. And what you want to do is, if you make a fist, you'll notice as you relax, you're going to see these two knuckles right here, and in between these slots right here, these points right here are for wry neck. So right in between the tendons, you can press and hold. So if you see in between your index and your middle finger, there's a slot in between here. You want to press that spot, and then you want to move over from your middle finger to your ring finger, another slot right here, and another slot from your ring finger to your pinky finger right here. And these should feel tender, so press and hold, press and hold, press and hold, 15 to 30 seconds. If the pain is more on this side, then you want to do this hand. And if the pain is more on this side, you want to do the opposite hand. So in a nutshell, left treats right, right treats left. You can actually do the points that we talked about earlier as well. Small intestine 3, if you remember, make a loose fist and press. So you can basically, in a nutshell, you can just draw a line through this entire area and press the most tender spots through here. 15 to 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds. And last point here is on your index and your thumb right over here at the edge. So this entire area right here, this one is called large intestine 3. Again, you want to do the opposite side, hold 15 to 30 seconds, the entire area. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to learn more about how acupressure can help you with chronic pain, we've got courses in the link description below. All you need to do is click the link and it'll send you there. And don't forget to subscribe.